Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifier Home Bedroom Mute Automatic Clothes Drying LED Touchscreen Dehumidifier is a remarkable appliance that combines functionality with a modern design, making it an essential addition to any home, especially for those living in humid climates. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its quiet operation. The mute function is a game changer for bedrooms and living spaces, allowing for uninterrupted sleep and relaxation. Unlike traditional dehumidifiers that can be noisy and disruptive, this model operates at a whisper-soft level, making it suitable for nighttime use. The automatic clothes drying feature is another highlight. This function is particularly useful for those who live in areas prone to moisture, as it helps prevent mildew and mold growth on damp clothes. By efficiently reducing humidity levels, it not only accelerates the drying process but also keeps your laundry fresh and odor-free. The LED touchscreen is user-friendly and adds a touch of modernity to the appliance. The display is intuitive, allowing users to easily adjust settings such as humidity levels and timer functions. This level of customization ensures that you can tailor the dehumidification process to your specific needs. In terms of design, the dehumidifier is sleek and compact, fitting seamlessly into any room's decor. Its portability means it can be moved from room to room as needed, whether for drying clothes or simply maintaining a comfortable humidity level in living spaces. Energy efficiency is another crucial aspect of this dehumidifier. It consumes less power compared to many traditional models, making it an eco-friendly choice that can help reduce energy bills without sacrificing performance. Overall, the Dehumidifier Home Bedroom Mute Automatic Clothes Drying LED Touchscreen Dehumidifier stands out for its quiet operation, user-friendly interface, and effective moisture control. It's an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality and protect their home from the damaging effects of excess humidity.